Behaviours for excellence, college expectations. It's not just about rules, it's about respect. Let's make sure we're all aware of everyone here and we don't do anything that could cause harm. We won't tolerate spreading fear or hate. College is not the place to bully, harass or discriminate. If we're all polite to each other, everyone has a better day. It's about self-respect. This is your college and we want you to be proud. This is our workplace, where we work, teach and learn. Let's keep it safe, tidy and clean. Always wear your ID card on campus. If we know who's in the college, we can help keep everyone safe. If we turn up on time, every time we should, we're all more likely to succeed. If you're not able to come to college, please let us know as soon as possible. There are times and places for phones and cigarettes, so please only use them when and where it's appropriate. Drugs, alcohol and college don't mix. You'll be excluded if you bring these in, or if you're under the influence at college. If you're worried for yourself or a fellow student, speak to your tutor or call Safeguarding on 0203 764 4077. And remember, it's all about respect. Thanks for watching.